Hello fellas, welcome to Kane's channel. In this video, I'm going to provide you a detailed explanation of the USB audio and line out function of the N3Ultra. While we have removed the Bluetooth as well as wireless function of the N3Ultra this time around, meaning you can't access to the online streaming service from the N3Ultra directly. Fear not. With the USB audio, you can still connect it to your smartphone as well as computer and turning it into the dedicated DAC and amplifier. Here I'll show you how to connect it to the computer. The first thing you need to do is to download the latest version of driver from our website. I'll put the link in comment below so you can access the page to download it directly. And follow the instruction and install the driver. Then simply plug in the USB cable and connect the N3Ultra to the computer. Select the USB input. And then you should be able to see the N3Ultra on your sound output panel. Here it is showed as the Kane USB DAC, and that is the N3Ultra. Select it and this is all set. Next, I'll show you how to connect it to your smartphone. Here I'm demonstrating with the Samsung Fold 4 and iPhone 14. Of course, it all started with the cable. Use the OTG cable to connect the N3Ultra to your smartphone. And please note that the OTG cable is an on-the-go cable. It's similar to normal USB cable, but not exactly the same. With an additional pin, you need an OTG cable to use the USB audio function of N3Ultra. And on the N3Ultra, choosing the USB audio in, and that's done. For iPhone 15 users, please be aware that the Type-C to Type-C cable provided with your phone is only for charging purpose. It's not an OTG cable, so it won't be recognized correctly when connecting to the N3Ultra. Next, let's talk about the line out. We have made significant circuit improvement on N3Ultra. Unlike the N3 Pro, where you can only enjoy the tube timbre on single-ended output, now you can experience it even on the 4.4 balanced jack. To use the line out function, well, the first thing you need to do is to decide which jack to use. On the 4.4 jack, the phone out and the line out are showing the same jack. What you need to do is to go to the main screen, swipe down, and you should be able to find a button to switch between phone out and line out. After deciding which jack to use, the first thing you need to do is to connect the N3Ultra to external amplifier. Please note that in line out mode, the volume is fixed to maximum. You can't control the volume while the volume scroll on N3Ultra anymore, but you can do that from the external amplifier. And that's the video of today. Thanks for watching.